Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to quickly solve the overheating issue on HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. First of all, we're gonna need to either open, or if you don't have it on your laptop, we're gonna have to download the application called HP Command Center. So check whether or not you have it on your laptop. So try searching for it. If you can find it, just open it. And if you don't see it right here, then we're gonna have to find it in the Microsoft Store. So open your Microsoft Store and search for HP Command Center. And you may not be able to find it here, though which doesn't mean that we cannot download it on this PC. All we have to do is open the web browser, then go to the Microsoft official website, not the Microsoft Store, but the Microsoft itself. So go to the Microsoft website and then tap the magnifier icon and search for HP Command Center. And then open the HP Command Center page, select View in Store, and then click Get right here. And wait until this program is downloaded and installed on your laptop. Then once it is, let's run it. And set your device's mode to cool. Here you can also check your surface temperature and fan speed, though we cannot adjust it on this laptop in particular, unfortunately. And simply set it to cool. The next thing that we can do to prevent overheating, right-click the taskbar, select Task Manager, and in the Processes menu, check the applications that use your CPU. And if you see some third-party app that you don't want to see here and that you don't necessarily need, let's say, right-click this application and select End Task to stop it from working. Besides, we can also check applications by power consumption. To do that, right-click one of these columns you see right here and select Power Usage. And then sort the applications by power usage and check which ones use the most power on your device. Now, but the main thing is, I think, CPU anyways. So by sorting your applications by power usage, you can disable them in the very same way by right-clicking them and selecting End Task. And after that, contact either HP Customer Support Center or just head to the nearest repair center and ask them to clean your device's vents and in order to solve this problem in long term. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.